Hello everybody. I'm working on some more of these altered playing cards, hashtag YT card challenge. We have quite a few ladies that are participating. We all went gangbusters at first and then branched off and did our thing and did some other things and came back and then did some other things and came back. So it's my turn to come back. So I saw somebody else do this. I think it was Gloria. She had a whole bunch put together, like maybe 9 or 12. I just thought I'd make just kind of a little booklet type of thing, and then I'll just punch all the way through, or maybe I'll put 2 eyelets, whatever, I'll see. So, but anyways, I just used regular old masking tape. I think it's like 3/4 inch masking tape, whatever, just hardware store masking tape. And I think you can probably see, if it's focused, just a tiny little gap between the cards so that they have room to fold and they don't buckle. So now I'm just going to cover this with gesso, good old gesso. Might do something different on the back. I'm not going to bother gesso in the back right now. With this, I just want enough gesso on here to cover up the images so they don't show through whatever else I decide to do, which at this point I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just doing this right now. Kind of how I do it, I do this, and then this leads me to the next thing, which leads me to the next, and on ad nauseum. Alright, that is enough. I just had an idea. Wait, hold that thought. I'm going to get some texture on here, so I want to put this on thick layer, and a thick layer, and another thick layer. That's really thick. That's got a glob. We don't want that. No globs. Okay. Then I am just going to take these and fold them over on themselves. Tap them down a little bit. And a little bit right there. Texture. Okay, I'm going to sit those up there. Clean this mess. Okay. Cleaned up the mess. I'm going to dry this. I'll just speed through this, or I'll turn the camera off till they're dry. Well, that made me dizzy. I hope you didn't mind watching that sped up version of this. If you didn't mind it, give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd appreciate it if you did that. And in the meantime, go make some art. Bye.